I dream I know deep up my feelings. I dream I know deep up my feelings.
Ganda po ng tanawin. Nakaka-relax. Nakakalimot sa sandali ng mga problema. Viewing po muna tayo dito sa may dagat. Habang inaantay po natin na maayos po yung fishing rod, mag-viewing po muna ako. Parang may pakita ko po sa inyo ang ganda ng panahon namin dito ngayon. Yan po ang ating haring araw. Yung mga seaweeds. Ayan, tatry namin i-cast out ang ating fishing rod. Pero mukhang mababaw lang po kasi dito eh. Papa, look at me.
No, go this side.
Yeah.
Hi.
There, I will come there. Okay. Kasi pag kinakas out niya kasi, baka masaling niya ako. So, dito po tayo sa left side niya. Be careful. Dito tayo umupo. Habang panunuurin natin. Uy! Ito po yung ano niya, oh. Yan po ang ginagamit na pain.
Put the other.
Then?
Yeah, good. Good. Turn. Turn. Okay, slowly.
There, nada. There. Okay, slowly.
Okay.
Here we go. Try it once more. Uy! You are scaring me. No chance yata kami. Oh, wait a minute. Uy. Oh, be careful. Uy. Once more. One more try. Nice. I think we don't have a chance today. Oy. Shall I go there? Stuck na ang kanyang pain. I think, Papa, this is not a good place.
No.
Anyhow, guys, no chance for now. We're going to see other place, another place to go and see if we can.